This is Community Center De Beatrix. This is where we are the whole week with the students from the CAP project. In this project we are making music for and with people from the neighborhood Zuilen. Let's have a listen at the rehearsal.
In CAP project, students root their artistic practice in society. In this neighborhood house, we create new music with each other, but also with the people that come here to drink coffee, to play billiards, or to have a painting class together. We truly immerse in the place, and from there, magic arises.
Well, it challenged me to utilize my improvisatory skills that I learned at school in a very different context, which I found quite awesome.
So we had 10 children in the theater, and we had a small exercise to make sounds with the body. Children also tried to Japanese word and singing with us. So it's a very fantastic experience.
So it was really nice experience to meet all of the people. I never met carillon player before in my whole life, so everything was new and really inspired me a lot, and I'm happy now.
Het is heel inspirerend om andere mensen ook in het buurthuis te hebben. Daarnaast ontstaan er allerlei leuke contacten onderling en horen we overal muzikale klanken. Zijn mini-optredentjes en nou, dat is gewoon voor de verrijking voor het buurthuis.
So do you have your own idea, your own project, or maybe you think, I just want to join and go with the flow? You are more than welcome to join this project.
CAP is for all the students of the school. So if you think, this is for me, sign up and we meet you in the CAP project.
أعمل مع CAP project. Goed.